Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel, Our Relaxing Life. Today we are at Bok Tower and we're here to enjoy the flowers and the bells and also do some yoga today. All right, let's roll out our mat and let's get started. So today we are going to start out in chair pose. So you're going to be in this direction and then you're going to do like a squat and you're going to have your hands out like this, or you can do it this way. Okay. So you're going to go like this, or you can go like this way and look straight ahead, and you're going to hold. Breathe in and out. And then breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. All right, now we're gonna straighten it out. Now we're gonna get into warrior one. So basically with warrior one, you're gonna have your left leg forward and then your right leg back. So this way, okay? And then you're going to have your arms up in the air like this, okay? So you can see. You're gonna reach all the way up to the sky, grab your ball and just hold. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. I could smell some mini flowers here. Breathe in and out. So now you're gonna put your arms down and we're gonna get into warrior two. And warrior two is basically just your arms like this, okay? And they're gonna look straight ahead. In and out. In and out. Okay, and you're working all your legs. Okay, now we're gonna go into the other side. So your right leg is out and your left leg is behind you. And start out with your arms like this, up front, up above. Into warrior one. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and out. Put your arms down and have your arms out. Texas T. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in and out. Put your arms down. And then we are going to touch our toes. So we're going to do forward fold. No, you don't have to, if you can't touch your toes, you can bend a little bit. Like this. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in and out. Now slowly come up. All right. So now we're gonna do mountain pose. So reach up. Touch your hands. And then get into prayer. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in and out. All right, namaste. Check out my last week's videos and you'll learn what that means. All right, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and please follow me on social media. All right, bye for now.